If you want to add shapes in Framer quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create basic shapes inside your Framer project, including the fastest keyboard shortcuts you can use to work much faster. Whether you're designing a landing page, building a website layout, or just adding simple visual elements, shapes are one of the easiest ways to make your design feel more polished and structured. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button. And make sure to subscribe for more simple Framer tutorials, web design tips, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the page or canvas where you want to add your shape. This is the area where all of your design elements will be placed, so before adding anything, take a second to make sure you're working in the right spot. Now, if you want to add a rectangle, the quickest way is to press the R key on your keyboard. That instantly activates the rectangle tool. After that, just click and drag on the canvas to draw your rectangle. You can make it wide, tall, small, or large depending on what your design needs. This is one of the most common shapes in Framer, and it's perfect for buttons, cards, section backgrounds, containers, and layout blocks. If you want to add a circle instead, press the O key on your keyboard. That switches you to the circle tool. Just like with the rectangle, click and drag on the canvas to draw your circle. If you hold the drag evenly, you'll get a perfect circle. If you stretch it differently, you may end up with an oval shape, which can also be useful depending on your design. These shortcuts are really helpful because they save time and keep your workflow moving fast. Instead of opening menus and searching for tools, you can just press a key and start drawing right away. That's one of the best ways to speed up your Framer design process. Once your shape is on the page, you can select it and adjust it just like any other element in Framer. You can move it around, resize it, and place it wherever you need it. If you're using the rectangle as part of a layout, you can align it with other elements. If you're using a circle as a decorative element, you can position it behind text, next to an image, or anywhere that adds visual interest. You can also continue building your design by adding multiple shapes. For example, you might use one rectangle for a content card, another for a button background, and a circle for a decorative accent. Combining shapes like this can help your layout feel more modern and visually balanced. The main thing to remember is that in Framer, the process is very simple. Press R for a rectangle, press O for a circle, then click and drag to place the shape where you want it. That's really all there is to it. So if you were wondering how to add shapes in Framer, now you know the fastest way to do it. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how you build your designs and organize your layouts. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching for more Framer tutorials made easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.